Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to view reports. To get started, you'll simply go over to the left side menu and select Reports. From here, you'll want to identify the report that you would like to pull. In this case, we'll go ahead and pull a contacts information report. Each of the reports is going to have these steps to complete prior to downloading or previewing the report. So you want to make sure that all of your filters are set to the parameters that you want so that you're pulling the information you need for that particular report. In this particular case, we're going to pull the information for tenants, and we're going to select that we just need their email and we need their phone number, along with, of course, their name and other information that will be associated with the contact. And we can choose to group by status, and we can select the preview button or the download button, at which point it's going to pull a report. And that is how easy it is to pull a report.